Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Ismail Khalis. We are with the Peugeot 106 again. Today we are going to install a gear bellows on the Peugeot 106. There used to be a plastic there, that plastic broke. So I repaired it. I'll show you in a moment. Our gear vision is also like this. Normally the leather deformed and not in a bad condition, but as you can see, there are traces of screws from here. From here I removed the clip first, friends. This is not an original color anyway, it was installed later, so the color is like this. We also need to remove the gear knob. It comes out a bit hard. Inside there is a socket. It was in very bad condition, deformed. What is it? As you can see it like this with the opera wire and so on, some of the fingernails are intact, but some of the fingernails are not strong because it's crit. So when I removed it, the gear bellows was broken. I guessed it. The seam can come like this. We may come like this. We will center it like this when we do it like this. We have passed it through all of them now. We will do something like this. Because our gear vision is narrow, we will do something like this. We put it on like this. We can now install our gear knob in the past. Yes, this is the final version of our gear vision. This is the final look for our gear vision. As you can see, I tried to make it as beautiful as I could.